Good morning. It is Tuesday, May 25th, and we're going to head back into Chapter 10 today and finish up Lesson 1. So you'll see the learning target. I can predict actions of a larger group by using a sample. We're still going to work through that and finish out what we started on Friday. And so in just a minute here, we're going to go to page 798. We're going to review one problem that we started on Friday with making predictions and using proportions to help us solve that. And we're going to make sure we have a calculator with us as well, because today what we'll do is in the second half of that lesson, we'll work with some percentages and use those percentages in order to predict. Afterwards, you're going to have a lesson 1 worksheet that your crew teachers have. And if you are virtual, there is a link there for the front and the back of that worksheet. And you're going to practice these making prediction problems that we've worked through Friday and today. And so you'll work through those, and there'll be an answer key there for you to check your answers when you are done. You'll also make sure that your name is on the paper and your crew teacher, and you're actually going to turn those in today to your crew teacher, and those will get turned into me as the day ends. If you still have time remaining, remember we're working towards a final exam, and yours for math is Tuesday, June 8th. And so I'm just going to keep adding to that list in Google Classroom of final exam quizzes review. So you'll see chapter 1, 2, 3, and 5 there. And again, when you have that opportunity, please go through and review those. You know, there's definitely some that you've probably forgotten about. I know in my crew, as we were going through some, I've had students say, I can't remember how to do these percent problems. I don't remember how to find total cost on something I'm buying. And so this is to help remind you before we head into some review together, and also a practice test just to prepare as well. And then your Chapter 10 graded checklist, that is also due June 8th, the same day as the exam. And right now you just have 1 week of ALEKS on there. And we'll add a couple more things before that June 8th date that are going to be due. So coming up, your ALEKS, of course, we only have a couple more weeks of this. We're working on the ALEKS this week. It'll be due this Sunday, May 30th. And then you'll have 1 more week after that, and then we will be done. So obviously you won't have any ALEKS to do that last week of school. We're also going to do a Chapter 10 Lesson 1 quick check on Tuesday, June 1st, so after the Memorial Weekend when we come back after having Monday off. On that Tuesday, we'll go into Schoology, and you'll take probably 10 problems of an assignment practicing making predictions, and also mean, median, and mode that we're going to start to get into on Thursday and Friday this week. Okay, so we're going to get started, and I'm going to meet you back in the next video there at number 1 with your book page to 798 and a calculator next to you, and we'll get going today. See you in a few.